Hi, our project is FlowSync. We are utilizing a capacitive soil moisture sensor to determine the moisture level, the moisture sensor of the soil in the ground. And from this data, we are sending this data to our Arduino Uno, which will analyze the data here. And depending on the moisture sensor and the setting you set your moisture sensor, it will open or close a valve. Now, let me explain that. This capacitive soil moisture sensor will get a reading in percent, like 20% or 50% water of the soil. Now, whatever you choose as your setting, for example, if you choose 20%, if this moisture sensor reads above 20%, it will send this data to this Arduino Uno, and this Arduino Uno will say, do not allow power through this relay. And if no power is put through this relay, it will not open the valve, allowing water to go through. Which basically means if there's over 20% water in the moisture level, it will not allow the sprinkler system to go off, allowing you to save more water, which is more economically friendly for your bank account and also just for the environment. Now we are gonna test our design. So currently with our setting, if they read 20% water, this valve should open, or this relay should open, which will close this valve as our valve is currently open. And to indicate there is a red light, and you should also hear a clicking noise, which will open the relay and close the valve. So if we see, we can put some water on it. As you can see, the relay open, and that means this valve is turned off because you wouldn't want to sprinkle. You wouldn't want your sprinkler system going when there's already a lot of water in the ground. And now when you dry it off, this basically means the moisture is, or the soil is dry, and it will open the valve, and that basically makes it so your sprinkler system only goes on if there's below a certain threshold of water in the soil. And as climate change progresses, saving water will be very important, keeping our climate healthy and reducing water wastage, which is very important in our future years. Thank you.